Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating story about how Indigenous engineers are leveraging AI to preserve their cultures. It's a truly inspiring initiative, isn't it? Amazing!
Absolutely. The urgency is palpable. I mean, the statistic that an Indigenous language dies every 2 weeks is shocking. It highlights the critical need for innovative solutions like this.
Exactly. Michael Running-Wolf, founder of Indigenous and AI, is leading the charge. His initiative, First Languages AI Reality, is building speech recognition models for over 200 endangered Indigenous languages in North America. That's a monumental undertaking.
It is. But he faces a huge challenge, a severe shortage of Indigenous computer scientists. He rightly points out that this isn't just about technical skills. It's about cultural understanding and respect for the data, which, in this case, is deeply personal and often linked to deceased speakers.
You're right. He emphasizes the ethical considerations, ensuring community involvement in data handling. It's not just about preserving the language. It's about preserving the cultural context and respecting the legacy of those who spoke it. It's a beautiful and crucial aspect of the project.
And the numbers are stark. Indigenous people represent a tiny fraction of the tech workforce, holding less than 0.005% of positions in the U.S. This lack of representation is a major hurdle to overcome.
Absolutely. That's why initiatives like Tech Natives, Indigenous, and the Wihanabulsena Center for Indigenous AI are so vital. They're actively working to train the next generation of Indigenous tech professionals. It's inspiring to see this grassroots effort.
Tech Natives, for example, provides mentorship and recruitment opportunities, empowering Indigenous women in tech. Kyra Kaya, a student in the program, is developing an AI tool to preserve Hawaiian Pidgin English, a language often stigmatized. She's using AI to challenge those negative perceptions.
That's powerful. It shows how AI can be used not just for preservation, but also for reclaiming and celebrating marginalized languages and cultures. And Indigenous' Lakota AI Code Camp is another fantastic example, teaching Native teens to design apps that document their culture.
It's a holistic approach, addressing the pipeline problem from multiple angles. They're not just teaching coding, they're fostering cultural pride and technological empowerment simultaneously. It's brilliant.
And it's not just about language. Madeline Gupta's work on creating a virtual reality experience to reconnect Native youth with their ancestral lands is equally compelling. It uses technology to bridge the gap created by historical injustices.
I think that's a really important point. It shows the versatility of AI in cultural preservation. It's not limited to language. It can be applied to other aspects of cultural heritage, like land and traditions.
Precisely. And Suzanne Kite's work, using AI to translate Lakota Dream language into geometric patterns used in traditional art, is another stunning example of this creative application. She's pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
It's all incredibly innovative and inspiring. It shows how technology can be a powerful tool for cultural revitalization, not just preservation. It's about reclaiming narratives and empowering communities.
Absolutely. While these projects are still in their early stages, the potential is immense. Running-Wolf's hope is that, in a decade or two, these initiatives will be seen as artifacts of a time when such drastic measures were needed. A hopeful vision indeed.
A testament to the power of technology when used ethically and responsibly, guided by cultural understanding and a deep respect for heritage. It's a truly inspiring story.
Thank you for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion as inspiring as we did. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.